The winner in Stairways to Heaven is Jocelyn Capella. Tapos bumalik ka dito para malilimas ang speech mo para
Ladies and gentlemen, I am so thankful for everyone, for your support, for this achievement. I am so happy. This is my first time. Thank you for this wonderful
opportunity.
what's this?
Your scepter ba tawag doon? Ayun.
Yeah, this is a very important thing to me. I will cherish this one. Hope it will not be. Ano ba talaga to? I want to thank everybody, especially my colleagues, for supporting me. And my primary sponsor is Lamia Casalmar. I'm so grateful to have you guys. And I am so overwhelmed with your Hindi ka kaya.
Ito yung plake. Lagyan mo yung mic, hindi mo kailangan ng mic. Plake.
Salamat sa lahat, guys, and most especially to our Almighty God.
Tawa mo ito ba? Hindi ako sa corona.
Thank you so much. I love you all.
Hindi pa pwede. Hindi pa pwede. May corona ka pa.
Kasi na corona ko.
Teka lang.
Hindi, ayun naman. Nandibay mo sa akin.
Huwag kasi makikita tayo.
Oh my God.
Yan. Tapos meron ka pong farewell walk galing doon. Dali na.
Farewell walk.
Farewell walk. Dali.
Di ba dapat?
Atras. Atras. Oo nga. Doon ka. Galing.
Mainit.
Yung tapos sila.
Wala na next year.
Wala na.
Kakapanalo pala ng farewell.
Tapos agad yung edition na yun.
Grabe.
Iba pwedeng malalo tayo sa yun.
Akala ko hindi na tayo. Diba?
Thank you, Len.